updating error. Content failed to load on Xbox App and Microsoft Store PC. 1. Restart your PC, close Xbox App and Microsoft Store, restart your computer. Open Xbox App again, retry installing or updating the game. Number 2. Check internet connection. Make sure internet connection is stable. Restart your router, disable VPN or proxy, retry the download update. Number 3. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type WS reset, press enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, retry installation update. Number 4. Repair Xbox App. Open Settings. Go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Xbox App, open Advanced Options, click Repair, restart Xbox App. 5. Repair Microsoft Store, open Settings, go to Apps, select Microsoft Store, open Advanced Options, click Repair, relaunch Microsoft Store. 6. Reinstall gaming services, open PowerShell as administrator. Run. Get AppX package, Microsoft.gaming services, remove AppX package, dash all users, restart your PC, reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. Now star 7. Verify game files. Open Xbox app, go to Forza Horizon 6, open Manage, select Files, click Verify and Repair. Wait for process to finish. Number 8. Free up storage space. Open Settings, Storage, delete unnecessary files, apps, make enough free space available, retry installation or update. And 9. Update Windows. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for updates, install all available updates, restart your PC. Number 10. Reinstall Xbox app. Uninstall Xbox app completely. Restart your computer. Download Xbox app again from Microsoft Store. Install and retry the game update. Install.